Lawful brakes must stop a car. Learn brake safety now. Lawful brakes, under normal conditions and when accounting for reaction time, should stop a car traveling at 20 miles per hour within approximately 20 feet. However, the actual braking distance can vary based on factors like road conditions and vehicle maintenance according to Brainly.com. Explanation. Stopping distance. Stopping a vehicle involves both the thinking distance traveled while the driver reacts, and the braking distance traveled while the brakes are applied. Braking distance at 20 miles per hour. For a car with properly functioning brakes, the braking distance at 20 miles per hour is generally around 20 feet under ideal conditions. Factors affecting braking distance: road conditions, wet, icy, or dry, vehicle weight, and brake condition can all affect how quickly a vehicle can stop. Importance of safe following distance. Drivers should maintain a safe following distance to account for the total stopping distance, including both reaction time and braking distance according to the highway code.